How to install zip files on Android phone. So if you want to install zip files on your Android phone, then what you need to do is you need to have an application. Without that, you won't be able to install zip files on your Android phone. So you can go with your Play Store and go with search, and under search you can simply search for zip file installer. You can go with any application that you're comfortable with, and once you've installed the application, then you can just simply open the application. Once you open the application, then you just need to simply scroll down and then find the folder in which you have your zip files. So tap on the folder and then just simply tap on file. So let me tell you one thing, that if you have a zip file, then you can only unzip that zip file, but you won't be able to install it. So if you have a zip file which is right here, you will have .zip at the last. So if you have a zip file, then you can just go and unzip that file so that it will be easy for you to just open the file or view the file. And you can only install the zip files if there are any APK files inside that zip file, which has been zipped into a particular file. So first of all, in order to find out, we simply need to extract the zip file. What we'll do is just simply tap and hold on to that. Go with the three dots, which is on the top right, and you will have extract option, or you will have an arrow on the top. Just simply go with the extract and it will give you the extraction options. You can simply select your options and then go with the OK, which is on the bottom right, and once it's extracted, then you can just open the file and you'll be able to use that. That's how you can install your zip files on your Android phone, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.